So I came across ULDP from one of my friends that is friends with alumni. She knows that I'm very much interested in business, so she actually proposed this idea that I think I should look into it. I thought that this is going to be a day in, day out thing, but I only came to know later on that I'm actually supposed to stay 15 days here. But I think I'm doing well here and I'm really enjoying my time.
I first get to know ULDP through a social media advertisement in Facebook and Instagram, and besides that, I also heard really good word of mouth from my friends who joined ULDP from previous cohort. So this sparked my interest to join the program.
The most challenging one, but yet the most entertaining, was the Motorcycle Tycoon business simulation. I really enjoyed it because they appointed me as a CEO, so I had to lead all the operations and make the decisions for my team. We managed to grow the company equity to 58 million. We weren't the best, but we had a good run and it was a really fun one.
The mini conference was good because I was the audience, so I got to really stress from that. I did have a lot of fun shouting. It felt very surreal in that experience in real life. How would one actually just think of answers at that second, and how are they going to say those answers? It's quite hard when you're actually in the real situation.
Giving it was very fun for me. It actually created a much more deeper friendship with my team, and I found out that my team was a very friendly and energetic.
Team building was really fun and we got to explore Shah Alam. I've never been to that park before, so it's really interesting. And at the same time, we got to build more memories with my group mates. We had to do some really funny challenges and some real serious challenges. At the same time, I got to teach my group mates how to dance.
If Motor Tycoon is stressful, business operation is much more stressful. But it also challenged us to compile all our knowledge that we learned before in the previous business simulation. It challenged your knowledge and skill and also your mentality, how you cope with the stress during this simulation. I know that there was a lot of sleepless nights during this simulation, but I'm glad that everyone go through together.
We are striking our members.
Always on riot.
For me personally, the most challenging thing was to actually manage a team, because I've always been working by myself and working on things with myself, but then all of a sudden when you hand me a team of great quality people, I'm trying to figure out how to manage them as a leader. Thankfully to ULDP and all the motivation from all the facilitators and the support from my friends as well really allowed me to have this sort of leadership towards them.
The initiative that Axiata is taking is very much something great, because this stuff that Malaysians need to be fed with. We need to be learning this kind of stuff to be able to improve. You want to be a CEO, you need knowledge. So these are the knowledge like finance and stuff like that. I never thought it was important. I always thought being CEO is that you run operation. It made me to realize that you have to know accounting, logistics, you have to know how the corporation is handled. It's not having one character, it's having multiple characters that makes you a great CEO. We have this step by step in ULDP, which is something that I think everyone needs to learn. If you want to be a CEO, this is a perfect place for you to learn.
I think throughout this program, I hope that I can be the person that I want, which is a person who can really pitch well in front of the audience.
ULDP taught me business and leadership skills as well as self-development. To come up with so many ideas within such short time is so amazing. I love how we can share new perspectives and learn from others as well.
The memories and the fun times are here with us every day, and kind of learning that everyone has hidden potential talent in them. I find that really interesting. Personally, because I like to meet a lot of new people and gain energy from people around me, so I find it really fun to get to know them in a more personal level.
I would just like to say thank you everyone. I'm sure every one of you has gone through a very hard time during this program.
Everyone is so unique and I love that so much. I will always cherish every moment that we have spent together, whether it is a bad or good moment. Thank you, ULDP Cohort 13.
Thank you very much for giving me the best experience in any of the program could give me. And this is actually a life-changing experience for me. I get to know lots of people from a different background, with different personality.
There's one thing I want to say to my friends, we did it. With all of the challenges we had to face, we worked together and here we are on the last day together. I hope to see you all soon in the future.